No fewer than 4,000 vulnerable households affected by disasters, particularly flooding, across 8 local government areas of Anambra State have received relief materials from the National Emergency Management Agency, Nema. Joy Ilebu reports.
The food baskets donated by the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center of Saudi Arabia contain essential food items including parboiled rice, beans, vegetable oil, tomato paste, salt and seasoning cubes. For many households whose livelihoods were disrupted by devastating floods and other disasters, the intervention comes as a welcome relief and a source of hope.
I am grateful with the federal government, at least for once for me, to be a partaker of their palliative.
Out of many, few are selected, so they should count themselves lucky and they should use the items very well.
The state governor, Chukwuma Soludo, represented by the secretary to the state government, Chiamaka Nnake, commended the National Emergency Management Agency and its humanitarian partners for the timely intervention, noting that the gesture underscores the importance of global partnership in addressing humanitarian challenges.
On behalf of Anambra State, we are thanking Guest Relief Foundation. We are thanking Anambra federal government and then the Nema, particularly, who had seen this to the state.
The Southeast Zonal Director of Nema, Walton Brandon, who represented the Director General of the agency, said Anambra is one of the 5 states selected for the intervention. He explained that the distribution is part of ongoing efforts to provide succor to communities affected by disasters.
They should make best use of the items and stay resilient, as we are already in the flood season yet again.
It's a full package, at least for a family of 6, to take care of them for a minimum of 1 month to 6 weeks.
The exercise targets 4,000 vulnerable households across 8 local government areas of the state. In Oka, Joy Ilebu, NTA News.